So today we will try and build a camera application using the mobile app. Okay. So how to take a picture, how to use the flashlight, how to save the picture. Okay. So this is the first time we are also trying. So please bear with us if there is any glitches. Shashank, please start speaking. All others can be on mute, please.
So am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Yeah, please go ahead.
Today, see,
Wait, there is an echo.
camera
There is an echo happening.
implementation.
Shashank, there is an echo as though there are two browsers which are open. Please check whether two browsers are open.
Sir, so now,
Mm, okay, start speaking. Let us see.
yes,
Yeah, continue.
yeah, today we see a camera implementation setup. Create a new file. Create a new file. Print them. Um, I create let's use it. Material bar. Here I give content to create state widget of my pen. Here we are using package name called camera.
CAMERA, I think. CAMERA.
Camera. This is a package we are using today. I will copy the package, we paste it to workspace. And I click on object. They given purpose. They said we want to add this to
So you are going to add
permissions for working.
permission.
Yes, right.
You are going to add permission for storage, is it? And permission
Yes,
for
storage
camera.
and camera.
Camera, okay. So you need permission to operate the camera, then you need permission to store the picture as a file. Two dependencies,
Yes,
two permissions.
I add it to
So this has to be added in pubspec.yaml file. Please note, it has to be added to pubspec. I'll send it in the chat for pubspec.yaml. Some of you may not be familiar with the file extension YAML. It's usually a specification file for dependencies.
YAML.
YAML, yeah. What is the full form of YAML? Send it by chat, Kishan. It's a markup language, right? So the permissions
Yet
have to go into manifest
it's
file. Yet,
sir, it's yet another markup language.
yes, correct. So permissions will go into Android manifest.xml. So if you see the first line, few lines are all permission lines.
when I
Okay, stateless widget
click
and then stateful widget called app10, is it?
yes, and they given some examples. You can try how it works. Let's, these are the features it has in this package. It can record video. You can take a screenshot and save it to file, and a live video cast and image stream from that.
What is the fourth one? I didn't understand. Add access to the image stream from dart means what does it mean?
So from access means without permission, it will stream the camera app to this camera feature into that. Like, so it not ask for permission actually. Like yesterday asked for this.
It should ask, no?
No, it will not ask.
So it's not safe then.
We
Yeah,
can't
I think
say it's
it's okay. You build the app, yeah, then we'll get an idea. Build the app. All these things we'll
yes.
see later.
We use camera controller.
CAMERA.
We will create a camera for the object. But I checked whether how many cameras are in the app.
So you want to
But I
query how many cameras are there in the mobile phone, front camera, back camera, like that, right?
just
Okay.
get to uh,
Details, DETAILS. ILS. Yeah.
use using function.
Why async is required? Because there could be some delay for the information to come when we query our own camera. We are querying the hardware. Tell me about yourself. Tell me how many cameras are there in your own system.
I create a list of
So there may be one camera,
camera.
two camera with their specifications. So he's going to create a data structure for displaying the camera details. So list of entities camera description. The object name is camera list. So it's a list. Now he's going to populate the list.
Going to away with
Available cameras. Okay. So you tell me in your camera in your phone how many cameras are there?
front and back camera. Two cameras.
Okay, two cameras are there. Okay.
First I try to print the cameras.
Okay. Print the list. Okay. Print camera list. Okay. Okay, this is a simple application, I can understand. So without showing in the UI, we'll see it in the
Create the image
console.
statement.
Yeah, now we'll see this in the console because we are only printing. If you want to see it in the app, then we have to make a widget, scaffold, and column widget and text widget. Before that, first we can see whether it is coming in the console. So that's why we are doing print statement.
Widget. Create
Wait, did you run the code? We'll do this later. First you show me whether it's coming in the printout.
this. Right. Add a navigation.
Oh, you need a
display.
navigation, correct. You need a navigation from screen 9 to screen 10. Navigator dot push.
Navigate.
Dot push.
Material HD. Context.
Then redirect to app 10. App 10. App 10 is the stateful widget in screen 10. Okay. Yeah. So now let us run this. So when we should get printout on the console, when we go from screen 9 to screen 10, we should get a printout on the console. Yeah, this point. Now we'll see the console.
There is some.
There's some error, is it? Exception. I can see an exception happening. Missing plugin exception. It says unhandled missing plugin exception. No implementation found for method available cameras on channel. That means in case available cameras is not coming, then what I should do? So some try catch exception or throws exception has to be done.
So it may be a not correct implement. It will not correctly added to the backend. For that, we want to rebuild this project.
Okay. You mean the package may not have been correctly added.
Yes.
Okay. So when we rebuild, it will compile again properly.
Here I give Flutter clean.
Flutter clean. Okay. You might have seen the earlier Flutter Doctor, right?
Flutter run.
Run.
This error must be gone.
Flutter clean. Flutter run. Flutter clean is if you have made some changes, unnecessary code it will remove and it will recompile fresh. It is like garbage collection kind of thing, unnecessary things will be removed and it will, because most of the time we are doing little shortcut, Flutter clean is a clean start. It's like a restart, you can say.
It will reinstall these packages and
Huh?
all that. So it will recompile this
Okay.
whole.
No, not like update. It is like a completely restart, reinitialization, you can say, reinitialization. So the app is running now. So who develops these packages? It will be programmers, Flutter programmers, experienced programmers. They develop this package and put it in the library. So for the same camera app, there could be some 10, 20 different packages. So you have to be very careful in choosing which package you are using, because some packages may be tested properly, some packages may not be fully tested. So do not blindly take any package. Only if our team has approved some package, use it. Otherwise, don't use such packages. Is it taking too long a time, Shank? Yeah, now it's coming. It's installing on the device. Which device? V2222. That is a phone which Shashank has. So after the latitude and longitude screen, we'll get this screen. Yes. Yeah.
That's
So
back camera.
back camera. What is 90? Oh, 90 and 270.
And,
Is it some
Nine-
degrees?
oh, yes, I think
Sitarama,
it's a
Sitarama,
lens, I think,
please,
related to the
please find out what is 90 and 270. Go to the net and find out what is the 90 and 270 by looking at the documentation. Okay, so we have one back camera and one front camera. Okay, now put this in the. I don't think we need to put it. This is enough. Now directly go and. What is this 13.253164 in the next line?
So this is the location I'm printing with.
Latitude. Huh? Oh,
Yes,
that is coming after the camera printout. See,
yes, sir.
it's
Due to await
yeah, very interesting thing. You have initiated location before we went into the camera screen, but the printout of the location is coming after the camera printout has happened. So both are happening asynchronously. It's like two threads which are running. It is like having two separate threads. Abhishek, you might have learnt multi-threading, right? One thread is giving the latitude and other thread is independently is giving the camera details. Okay? Yeah, good. Yeah, now go back to screen 10 and operate the camera now to take a picture.
yes, yeah, I inside camera controller want to take
So what are you going to do? We are going to use the back camera to take the picture first and then ask the front camera to take the next picture. Okay? Can we do like that?
Yes.
First we'll ask the back camera to take one picture. Next we'll ask the front camera to take one picture. Is it okay?
yes.
Yeah. Call it as front one, back one. So he is using camera list of 0. That means back camera. Correct? He is asking the back camera to do something.
Yes.
Why comma? It should be dot, no?
Yes, it here we
Okay.
want to give resolution.
Okay, resolution. Okay.
This is it can I will click medium for now. I use static keyword for that it can assess the camera list. And it has this package has their default their own widget called camera preview, and it asks for controller.
Wait a minute. In the
So,
body, why have you given camera preview controller?
yes, so camera preview takes controller as a argument.
Okay, but there is nothing which will come printed on the screen, right? It will only open the viewfinder and allow you to see, correct?
Yes, sir. Only for sim.
Okay, only for seeing. So nothing will come on the screen. Okay, yeah,
Yes. So I will terminate this
yeah.
terminal and
So technically, from the back camera, sorry, from the front, first one was what, back camera, no? Yeah, from the back camera,
yes,
you will see whatever is there in Shashank's room now. Okay. If Shashank is sitting in some place, its back camera, you will be able to see when you run this code. Am I right? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay. Do it.
And the reason I just is running this file is because I'm running through the terminal.
Hmm.
For that, I can't restart or reset the screen. That's why I terminate and run through the this
Okay.
understood.
So are you saying there are two ways to initialize the app, one through Android Studio and one through the terminal, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, there is an error. What does the error says? Valid, invalid.
Yeah,
Something is
we
invalid. Length is invalid.
yes, sir. We didn't give the length for how many space it want to take
Huh?
for screen
How,
preview.
how many space means?
How many? So it means it can go out of pixel range of
Okay.
phone screen.
Hmm. Okay. The viewfinder, right?
That's why
In the screen in the
yes, sir.
mobile, how what should be the box size where you have to see the picture? Okay. Correct.
Yes, sir. We
the
can
the
fix the
viewing
size using
view
container.
the viewing area, we have not put the viewing area. Yeah, wrapped with container, maybe 300 into 300 or something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But where have you done it? Have you done it? I can't see it. So Shashank is trying to find out the reason for the exception.
Actually, if I use expand icon to
According to him, it should work. With expanded, it should work. But it is not working.
I use
So now he
written
is hard coding the window through which the camera will be seeing the object. So he has given 200 into 200.
Okay.
there is error in camera list.
Error in camera?
List.
Okay.
Here I
Okay.
changed to dot first.
Okay. No element. So camera list is supposed to have two items. He is trying to access one of the item, that is the back camera, and he is getting an error. We are not able to search for the back camera. No. Again there is an error. What does the error say now? What does the error say now? What does the error say now, Shashank? Shashank, what is the error?
So for debug this inside get details, just get detail. If camera is not is empty,
Oh, by the time he's actually running the application, camera list has still not given him the list of cameras. So he is setting up a
yes,
flag until the camera list is populated, don't take the picture. Now immediately it will start taking a picture, but I still don't have items in my camera list. Okay.
and instead of this, there is another better way. And here I check for controller should not be null.
Okay. What is that exclamation mark for? After
So
controller?
it's,
Hmm?
it is a null model. Means null, we can
Okay, null checking.
check for a null.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is camera preview?
See, before we take the picture, we see through the eye finder, no, whether everybody is smiling or not. See, when we take a camera, we show near the subject and we see all the people and we say, okay, come this side, start smiling. Okay. We have not taken the picture yet. We are seeing through the viewfinder.
Okay.
We are not yet put a button to take the picture. We are only trying to see. So now whatever you are seeing in
Yes,
the
sir.
white screen, in between one boundary will come, 200 by 200 boundary will come, and in that we will be seeing whatever the camera is seeing in the Shashank's room now. In Shashank's room, if there is a table or chair, that table or chair will come. Okay? But it will not come as a
Oh,
picture, it will come as a real life, camera, streaming camera. And then we have to code a button to click it. We have not coded a button to click the picture yet. In real life camera, there is a button to say click. No, we have not yet written the button to click now. We are only now activating the camera to show the. See, normally if you have seen old cameras, the cameras will have a cover. Okay.
okay.
Now this command is like
Yes, sir.
open the cover. It's like open the cover.
Okay. Okay.
That's called, that is
Okay,
coming
sir.
under the camera preview budget, camera preview widget.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no error this time.
So, but this is execute.
Okay, but where is the preview? Preview has not happened.
Preview is not coming because controller is not updating.
Okay.
Executed spelling is wrong.
Yeah. Executed EXE. Yes. Thank you, Kishan. That was a good observation.
I use preferred method. I better bind with dot instruments. To create a required component. This 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 talk camera. This and remove.
So what are you doing? I am little confused now.
So I'm first. So this will this what do means it will uh, when the app is running, it will initialize this where I write here any functions or any
Hmm.
before it starting the app, it will
Okay.
initialize these things
Okay.
and then camera descriptions. To so inside the map, I will call string 10 and this one. And then same thing I write to
Till now we had a very structured way of coding. Now suddenly it's all confusing to me. Only Shashank knows what he's doing. Anyway, first make it work.
so here I can
No, you make it work first. Then we'll ask you to delete and do it again. Okay.
yes,
We'll delete the entire thing and do it again. Nothing is coming on the screen because the logic is not done, Kishan. Shashank is experimenting. So do you need some time, Shashank?
want to work.
Sorry friends, this is taking a little more time than what I expected. Maybe I and Shashank should have done a rehearsal first. Sorry for this delay. Installing the app. Camera 2, I can see. Okay, it is giving a error, denied. Okay, Shashank, what I suggest is we'll stop at this stage. Okay, we got some idea. Why don't you try this out independently and then we'll do it in the next class? Okay.
Yes.
So, I think we got some idea of how you're trying to do. Getting the list of cameras you did, but now you are doing that camera preview, right? Camera preview. So there we are
Yes.
facing some problems, right? So we can
Yes.
stop here. We can come prepared next time. Tomorrow there will be no class. We will meet on Saturday, same time. Is it okay, Shashank? Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah, no class tomorrow. I'll be cancelling it tomorrow. We'll meet on Saturday. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions? Any doubts on anything related to Flutter, mobile app, whatever we have done till now?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I just since in my computer, since we didn't arrange the apps properly, I just arranged it properly, and all of the apps are linked now. I had just added the floating action button to all the apps, and now we can view all the apps, and now we can finally build the APK.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I just deleted the file which had only stateless widget, and then I just changed everything according to
Okay. Okay. Anybody else has been able to do, or you have any doubts, any suggestions, any clarifications? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.